Welcome. Welcome to my Action Research project. My name is Ross Ledbetter. So what was the research? Well, this research began my journey into the world of the web as an interactive, communicative, and constructive tool that can be used in classrooms. And the question, from the student's perspective, is writing using computers, blogs, blog searches, reader, hypertext, and related web tools more engaging and interesting than regular classroom writing? Why is this important to me? I want to prepare students for their present and future environments where they will use the web as a resource tool, a tool for communication, a tool for collaboration, and a tool for the construction of knowledge. I want to learn how best to prepare students. Context. Many classes and students at Journey Middle School were involved in the broad net of this inquiry. However, 2 grade 8 English classes were the specific focus. Data collection, observation of and conversation with students was used extensively in this research. Further, a short survey was given to 55 students. The results. The results of observation and conversation concluded that students greatly enjoyed learning and sharing through using computers and writing on blogs. They particularly enjoyed the power of hypertext when creating expository writing. Further, using blogs, students commented on one another's work and took their writing quite seriously as they knew it would become part of a public forum. The questions asked in the survey and the responses generated follow. Question number 1. For English assignments, I would rather write with pen and paper. Response frequency, response count, always and mostly I'm tending to look at more in each of the 5 questions. So in the always and mostly category, in response to I would rather write with pen and paper, 14.5%. Juxtapose that with question number 2. For English assignments, I would rather write using a computer, always and mostly, 54.5%. That's a difference of 40% between question 2 and question 1. Question number 3. For English assignments, I would rather write using a combination of pen and paper and computer. And the always and mostly, 38.2% of the students surveyed fell into this category. Question number 4. Writing on a blog is interesting and engaging. This came through quite powerfully in observation and in conversation, and not quite as powerfully as I expected in the always or mostly, adding up to 44.4% of the students. What is interesting, though, is before this research project and before the students were introduced to blogs this year, but one of them had written on a blog previous to this. So for first-time bloggers, always and mostly, 44.4% of them find it interesting and engaging. Question number 5, the last question. Writing using blogs, reader, hypertext, and other computer-related means of writing is more engaging and interesting than regular classroom writing. And that's 50.9% of the students answered in the always or mostly for that question. And if you add in the sometimes, the big green spot over here, it adds up to 94.5% of the respondents answered in the sometimes, always, or mostly. So, what does all this mean? For me, students enjoyed computer-aided web writing, and enjoyment and engagement are important to teaching. Using the web as a tool for teaching writing is a relevant, timely, and important practice. And using the web as a resource tool, a tool for communication, a tool for collaboration, and a tool for the construction of knowledge represents an important part of the future of all our students. Next steps? Next year, I will use the concept of Web 2.0 from the start of my courses and try to integrate it throughout. This will generate new passive inquiry and learning. Also, I will use systems thinking, systems tools, and systems language to augment teaching through technology. That's my Action Research project. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.